Have you ever stopped to wonder, what if a single day could last longer than an entire year? It sounds impossible, but that's exactly what happens on Venus, our mysterious twin planet. Venus spins on its axis so slowly that one full rotation takes 243 Earth days. Meanwhile, it orbits around the Sun in just 225 days. Which means, on Venus, a single day is actually longer than its year. Imagine that, by the time the planet completes one sunrise-to-sunrise cycle, it has already finished going around the Sun. But that's only the beginning of the strangeness. Venus doesn't just rotate slowly, it rotates backward. While most planets, including Earth, spin from west to east, Venus spins from east to west. If you could stand on its surface, you would see the Sun rising in the west and setting in the east, completely opposite to what we experience here on Earth. Now, let's put this into perspective. On Earth, we live by the rhythm of 24-hour days and 365-day years. Our entire biology, sleep, food, work, life, it's all synchronized with that cycle. But if you lived on Venus, you would wait nearly 8 months for a single sunrise. Just imagine how disorienting that would feel. An entire human pregnancy could pass between one dawn and the next. And yet, because Venus takes 225 Earth days to complete its orbit, something even stranger happens. If you were to track the Sun across the Venusian sky, you'd find that the Sun actually rises only once every 117 Earth days. So despite the planet's 243-day rotation, the peculiar relationship between its orbit and spin creates an even shorter, solar day. In other words, the calendar day and the solar day don't even match. Time itself bends in ways that defy our intuition. But why is Venus so unusual? Astronomers believe it may have suffered a catastrophic collision billions of years ago, an event so violent that it flipped its spin and slowed it almost to a halt. Venus might carry the scars of an ancient cosmic accident that changed its destiny forever. And the consequences of this slow, backward rotation extend beyond time. They shape its hellish climate. Because Venus turns so lazily, its atmosphere has more time to absorb the Sun's energy. The result? A planet wrapped in thick clouds of carbon dioxide, where heat is trapped so efficiently that the surface temperature soars to nearly 465 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Day or night, morning or evening, it makes no difference. On Venus, the furnace never cools down. Now, pause for a moment and think. While we argue about losing an hour of sleep to daylight savings here on Earth, on Venus you could live your whole life and never witness the Sun rising twice. This strange reality challenges our very idea of time. On Earth, time feels absolute, 24 hours is a day, 365 days is a year. But Venus shows us that these numbers are fragile. They are not universal laws of the cosmos, just quirks of our own spinning, tilted world. So the next time you watch the Sun rise, remember, it is a luxury of Earth. Elsewhere in our solar system, the rhythm of day and night can stretch, shrink, or even reverse. And on Venus, the planet so similar to Earth in size and composition, a day that outlasts a year reminds us just how diverse and unpredictable the universe truly is. The universe is full of paradoxes and wonders, like the fact that on Venus, a single day outlasts an entire year. And this is just one fragment of the mysteries waiting to be uncovered. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me in exploring more strange and fascinating truths about the cosmos. Who knows, the next video might surprise you even more.